dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. Today is the 2nd of April 2019. It's around 10 past 1 at night. This is the Australian dollar on the 4-hour chart, trading around 0.71126. What I would like to do, and I like to do that now and then, is I pick a chart, I pick a market, and I'm explaining several concepts again, kind of summarizing different concepts which are explained in the educational videos, which are applied in the trade videos, etc. So yeah, let me just go through it. So what can we see? We can see pretty much the usual thing. So on this histogram you see the historic dumb money positions, and it's pretty clear what went on. For example, here back in March, look, we had around the 13th, we had this dumb money long activity, dumb money traders buying Australian dollar, and as you can see, this smart money algos quickly pushed the price down against them, doing this extended stop run. Then again, long is coming in again, and look, this time it took a few sessions, but they went all the way down, extended stop run down, taking out the stops, and these traders were kicked out of the market. You see, the stops were hunted, or they got margin calls. That's why they're not shown in the current dumb money histogram here. And the same here. So over a few sessions, dumb money buys, so there's an extended down move back into the range. Here again recently, end of March, dumb money buys, boom, moved down by the smart money algos. And here you can see that there are still some longs in the market. There's stops below the price. Eventually those stops here will be taken. Yeah, so especially if more longies come, this could be like a short trade in Australian dollar. So if you saw the video on 4-hour reversals, you will see that this, for example, is a typical 4-hour reversal. So from the overbought level back into the range against the buyers who entered expensively. Yeah, they bought at very high prices here. And this is why it makes sense to have an idea about the dynamics on the forward chart when you do position trading in the market. It's helpful to understand where we are. You can use different indicators. It doesn't matter so much. Some people use Bollinger Bands. These are some kind of TMA bands. You can download them for free on the internet, and they give you an idea, where we are, so to speak. Are we like the lower part or the upper part of the 4-hour chart range? What's a possible scenario? Are we talking about a 4-hour reversal, or are we talking about like a breakout? All these things are very relevant. Apart from, the day chart, the moving averages, and then all the other things I've shown, of course, the news which are coming out, the significance, other markets, correlations, etc., etc. So, yeah, it's interesting to see the same dynamics on different markets. Yeah, I mean, I've made videos about all major markets, I think, euro dollar, cable, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, euro pound, dollar yen, euro yen, pound yen, and also look at derivative markets and minor pairs as well, but usually only at liquid pairs. So pairs which are which have volume, which are traded, which don't have too high transaction costs neither. All this is relevant for you as a trader. When you're on the buy side, you have to be aware of all these things, like your price feed, your broker, your transaction cost, your commission, your spread, your swap. All these things are very relevant, and the more you trade in the short term, the more significant these factors are. Okay, so but these are topics which I see as a bit more generic. My work really concentrates on the market structure, on the micro and macro market structure. How does it work? Why does the price go up or down? Because it's smart money versus the dumb money, the algorithms hunting the dumb money positions. But I realized that also on this channel I should do more videos about more generic topics as well. So such as the right setup, what you need to have in place, which factors you need to pay attention to, and so on. So I will make a few videos about this, including psychology, trader mindset, emotions, all these kind of topics, so that in the end, on this channel you find really like a very nice overview of all trading related topics. So also for beginners who need to understand some basics first. And yeah, I will not show the meter levels publicly on this channel. This is exclusive, so I will not really go into depth there, but I will explain on a regular basis, I think, the dynamics, what's going on in a particular market, what will happen next, etc. I do this on a best effort basis, whenever I have time to do so. Alright, sorry for not having a shirt on today. It's getting warm here, so not common for me to be in t-shirt. Okay, so yeah, let's see what happens if more longies come in. Australian dollar will go down, going for these empty stops. And we also have old longies in the market. So even if there is a fish move up, that would be an opportunity to do a nice short down. If I'm at the computer, I may do a video about it, then maybe not. Okay, all the best, stay safe.